The new BRABUS 900 Mint is not just another tuned SUV. It is a statement piece built on the foundation of the Lamborghini Urus SE, and it represents the first time BRABUS has gone all in on a Lamborghini platform. That alone makes this vehicle important, but the execution is what truly separates it from everything else on the road. At the heart of the BRABUS 900 Mint is the Urus SE plug-in hybrid system, combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor. BRABUS recalibrates the power delivery to unlock a combined output of 900 horsepower and 1,050 newton-meters of torque. The result is explosive acceleration, with the SUV capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, while still retaining hybrid functionality for short electric driving. Visually, the 900 Mint is impossible to miss. The exterior is finished in a signature mint green paint that immediately sets it apart from the darker and more understated super black variant. A full Widestar carbon fiber body kit widens the stance and sharpens every angle, while massive 24-inch forged BRABUS monoblock wheels fill the arches perfectly. Subtle aerodynamic elements are not just for show, helping stabilize the SUV at very high speeds. Step inside, and the theme continues. The cabin is wrapped in bespoke stone mint leather, extending across the seats, door panels, dashboard, and even the floor mats. BRABUS signature quilting, exposed carbon fiber, and aluminum accents create an interior that feels more like a high-end lounge than a performance SUV. This is customization taken to an extreme level where nearly every surface can be tailored. What makes the BRABUS 900 Mint especially interesting is how it blends brutal performance with luxury and individuality. It is not trying to be subtle, and it does not need to be. With pricing approaching the $500,000 mark before taxes, exclusivity is part of the appeal. This is a vehicle built for collectors and enthusiasts who want something far beyond a factory super SUV.